Hi everyone, so we're now going to learn the steps to Dashishato, and my style of learning Gorshey might be different from others. I usually dance using intuition and by feeling the music and recognizing the lyrics and the sequence of the song. So I'm not really going to be counting too much, but what you can do is you can pause the video and learn each sequence and then do it at the end with me together. So I'm going to teach you the 3 sequences. That's the fun thing about Gorshey. A lot of the Gorshey steps are similar, and then what they do is they take a sequence of these steps and then choreograph it so that it's repeated throughout the dance. So it's not like you're going to learn like a different choreography for the entire song. It's one that's usually repeated. So the 3 sequences, this is the first one, and this is how the song begins. And it's also danced in the middle when there is an instrumental break with no vocals. So you're starting with your right foot and swinging your arms to the right, and then you switch to the left and you just keep going back and forth. So here we go, the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, I'm not going to be counting how many you need. Later when we're dancing, you'll start to get the hang of it. So I'm going to turn so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so that's the first sequence. This is the second one. Right, left, kick, left, right, kick, right, left, kick, left, right, kick. That was 4 times. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then turn. 1, 2, 3. That was 3 times. That's the second sequence. Now this is the last sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do this turned around. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. And you repeat that a bunch of times according to the music. And yeah, pause the video and replay it and learn the parts if you need to, and then let's dance together at the end.